Am I speaking with Aurora Jewels Company?
Yes, hello, this is Lynn, representative for Aurora Jewels. May I know who I'm speaking with?
Yeah, this is Patrick, the operational manager of Blues Mining Company, your supplier for raw gold.
Yeah, how may I help you, Mr. Patrick?
Yeah, I already sent you an email 2 weeks ago regarding the situation in here. We're currently experiencing hailstorm, and unfortunately, last week we also experienced the same thing. So for the goods that should be delivered last week, unfortunately, it will have a delay because for the next 2 weeks we won't be able to operate in here.
Is there any possible way or anything you can do in return?
Unfortunately, we don't have much option that we have, so I am very sorry for that.
Please inform me right away if you are okay?
Yes, and once again, I am very sorry and have a wonderful day ahead of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, good day. This is Patrick, Operational Manager for Blues Mining Corporation. Am I speaking with Aurora Jewels Company?
Yes, hello, this is Glenn, representative for Aurora Jewels. How may I help you, Mr. Patrick?
Yeah, I am calling regarding for the delayed goods that should have been delivered a few weeks ago. We will now be delivering the goods and the transaction will still be the same. But for the next transaction that we will have, unfortunately, we will be having a increase in our price because some of our mining sites in there is unfortunately not operational. So the increase in price is necessary.
Okay, thank you for the update, Mr. Patrick. I will be informing our operational manager and finance department. And they will be sent our update via email.
Thank you so much for the understanding. I will be sending the updated price via email, so please look forward to it.
Okay, thank you.
Once again, this is Patrick. Thank you so much for the understanding. Have a wonderful day ahead of you, and goodbye.
Hello, good afternoon. This is Maria from Shop's Company. I would like to ask for an update about the delivery of our materials.
Hello ma'am, good afternoon. We're very sorry but we can't be able to deliver your raw materials because we have a growing war here in our country. But rest assured that we will be able to deliver your raw materials by this week or next week. Again ma'am, we're very sorry.
Oh, sorry to hear that, ma'am. We will just wait for the delivery of the materials, and you take care with your family.
Okay ma'am, thank you.
Bye.
Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us today. I've noticed that our sales have been great lately, and after looking at it, we found out that our competitors are doing better because they upgraded their technology. So they have improved their manufacturing with machines and computers that work smarter and faster.
Exactly. To keep up we need to upgrade and let's discuss about how we can solve it.
So, good morning everyone.
Morning,
Good morning ma'am. So, gipatawag ta mo diri kay tungod ang atong sales ning gamay. So, pag-provide ta ninyo og solutions kung saan nato pagkutan sa atong problem. So, mga tala ko, nganong ni gamay mga atong sales?
Ma'am, based sa kanang observation sa statistics sa Department of Trade, ano yung ma'am, kaniyang product ay kusog kay siya. Pero kanila siya product, specific products, so yung upan natin di baligyan. Wala man siya yung ano, legal na, wala kayo ipakto pa. Wala siya matanong.
Okay, so ani na lang na control panang solutions dire. Since gamay man ang tag-profit through based sa sales report, this month ipa-check na to sa inventory itang kanang kuan order karon nga month for stocks. Is kana ara na siya need ra kayo ang atong ikuan. So katong products nga daghan pa and dili ra kayo na to need or kusog kay and next month na ka magpa-order or maka-sustain pa ta sa uban na to areas na to. Okay, business.
Good day, ma'am. I'm sorry, but due to regulations, the shipment is held up at customs. We're working on getting the necessary papers, but it might take some time.
That's frustrating. Can we expedite the process somehow?
We're exploring options, but it might involve additional charges. Are you okay with that?
If it gets the materials here faster, then yes, let's do it.
Understood. I'll keep you updated on any progress.
Good day everyone, ako si Nina Sobiada. I am the representative from Finance Department and ipatawag ko yung meeting para mabudgetan kung sa inyong mga needs. So, sa tayo sa mga needs.
So, ma'am, so far, currently inventory, only siya ang
Okay, please send lang yan nasa via email and more respond. So, ito may line.
kung isa ka po, may isa ka company siya mag-improve data na management ng damage ng mga i-continue to siya use na properly. Hindi na siya mga sarili for siya na yung repair dyan.
O sige, ako rin na ihatod ang kanana ilang mga concerns dito sa taas para mabudgetan na natin. So, nakabay pa clarification and concerns. Thank you.
So, good morning everyone.
Morning, ma'am.
So, 1 week after naman ako gratag inyong assignment, which is ang mangita mo of Delhi current also. So, pwede na ako makita yung mga ideas.
Yes, ma'am. So, for the Team A Data Analytics Department, ma'am, manage ang makikita na compared sa mga products, ma'am. Ano yung mga products based sa statistics na mga nakuha sa lowers. Pwede kayo siya mga ganaches ng mga tao. So, gagawin niya siya i-adapt sa company, ma'am, kaya sure ka kung mas pataas ang sales. Ma'am siya.
As well as sa Team B, mo ni siya muna mga analytics dito sa social media. And if ever, mo ni siya mag-product atong ibaligya or himuon, mas ma-assure niya ito, madaghan ang mga customers na palit sa mga product.
Okay. Ano yung mga ideas, like, send na ako via email. Kaya ako na siyang i-open dito sa higher ups. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yun, ma'am.
Good day everyone. So, ipatawag ko na meeting kay para matabihan ang stock stocks kay nakadongga na natin nag-problema sa ito ang stock stocks or supply. So, naka-on sa update, Miss IZ, ano sa supply?
Ang stocks mo kay actually nakuha siya na overstock siya kaya nakakulang na tayo kung check ang inventory. So nagkan mga products na sayang so kana need good jud siya i-organize.
So, kung mauman gani na, next time, kuha na nato, ato lang ganoon yung nila dapat ang itong stock and also ato lang i-clear ato ang inventory management and atong i-organize atong inventory management of tanong para wala na yung kanang ma-overstock and i-apply sa nato ang FIFO para magamit na ito guna atong unang ipang supply. So, that's all. Napay concerns and clarifications. Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Morning,
ma'am.
So, based sa report na yung ihatag ka, kay pati man itong kuhan sa mga supplier, so man din yung ika-suggest.
So case na mo sa team ni Ma'am kay nakoy kailangan may ko na ko into to siya contract na ihatag ang mga maging partner ito nila ma'am in case na yung raw materials nga to need.
Okay, so Team B.
So, sa Team B, ma'am, nakakita ng supplier nga nihatag og 30% discount if ever, ito na sila mo purchase silang raw materials.
Okay, ang kanay yung mga suggestions kay kung ano, isenda na lang ako kaya ako na siyang i-open ako na siyang i-report sa higher ups.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good day everyone. Ipatawag ko niya ng meeting kay Nakoy na batayan na ni hinda ang performance sa logistics na department compared sa analytics na department. So, nga naman na uncertain.
So ma'am, medyo nag-aberya pa yung isa pa employee. Pwede kayo ba mo follow sa procedures na i-implement? Niya, napat ubang nga employees na sige yung absent.
So, kung maumuli na i-manage na nagtalang Miss Ashley and Miss IZ.
Good day, Ma'am sa chat. As per meeting today, compare na ko ang company sa live company nga taas sila ang sales. So, magtala ko if unsay naan nila mawala na to in terms of strategy.
Based sa ito na-gather na data, ma'am, observe nato sa pikas na naghatag sila gift cards, discounts, that's why napo ilang sales. So, for me, akong suggestions, ma'am, nagpili ta mag-digital advertising or banners. Like, para nako-project outcome sa ato ang company, nakuha to ang sales.
Thank you for your idea, Ma'am. Ang pala naman ka, pwede na siya i-report via email or mag-send ka lang via email and ako rin siya i-report sa higher ups. Thank you.
So, good day everyone. Ipatawag ko ni ang meeting kay nakabantay ko base sa kong pag-compare na ni action na ko ng atong competitor. So, nida to o ganang another business strategy na kanang effective o kanang need po na to enhance pang performance para dili ka palamangan sa ato ang competitors. So wala may suggestions.
So, sa namin ma'am is magplano kami na i-update lang kami mo sinasabi ka.
Okay, so update ka niya ako ha. So for now, dismiss.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Ms. Santiago. Napatawag ko karon ng meeting kaya nakita na po diri sa latest report na mubo kayo ang performance metrics sa atong company. Unlike sa ubang kanang kumpanya. Unsa man kayo may ka-suggest para mas mutaas atong sales o para sa malabwan nato ang ubang kumpanya?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Walang ako yung kasuggest, ma'am. Pwede na ito paspasan ng atong produce sa atong produkto o muna ito mas kwalidad o barato ang atong produkto at the same time kita malugi and makabilang siya kita.
Nindot na siya nga idea, Ms. Santiago. So ato sa siya ipaadto sa higher ups, then tanawon na to kung effective ba ni siya ka strategy. Thank you.
Good day mga swerte. So, as per our meeting today, kay kanang if atong i-compare ang atong top clothing sa Nike shoes, ang Nike shoes na sila scale, na sila buy one take one. So, mga tanda ko, mag-ask ko sa suggestions nito para sa atong company.
So, just mag-buy to take one ka. Then, ang mabayad na nila sa 100. So, dagan siya may ganyo na kay 3 items na with 100 ra. So, naipasaglit kayo ng taas ko itong sales. Yan, sa ato akong mga loyal customers, ato sila nakatagal ng loyal card. Yang first third stamps kay mahatagan na to all 30% discounts.
Thank you for your suggestions, ma'am. So, ang mga suggestion na po, dahil siya may report na ako, dahil natin na siya i-send, ay, na siya i-send sa via email, dahil natin na i-report sa higher ups. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
So, good afternoon, Ms. Santiago. Ipatawag ko yung kalan kay ikaw as the head of the manufacturing department. Nakay pumunta na ng masaya masulti ni mo regarding sa Gucci nga brand ikinita para sa itong brand since parehangan lang ito or parehangan lang ito ang accessory brands.
So, nga akong na-observe sa Gucci nga brand sa Italy, ikuon siya in good quality and pero mahal siya while nga ito ang brand accessory diri kay di tantong good quality pero affordable siya.
So, ikaw as the head of the manufacturing department, ano may suggest?
Well, ako ay kasuggest kay dapat sa tiyan na ito maayo, mangitatag mga libuon ng materials para nilutog ang libuon para nga ito ang accessory brand.
Thank you for taking your time.
Thank you.